Good day everyone, my video presentation is all about towards Asian regionalization. First of all, what is regionalization? Regionalization, the process of dividing an area into smaller segments called regions. Division of a nation into states or provinces. In the economic context, regionalization is a management tool. Regionalization is described as the practice of trend of separating regions into little portions and dividing large area into regions or districts. Regionalism is defined as the political goal of creating a legally binding agreement between states on a geographically limited scale. The next one is what is the idea of regionalization? Regionalization is defined in geography as the division of a big area into teeny areas. Geographers must divide the globe into parts and regions in order to investigate any location. A region is an identifiable portion of the planet, country, or city. Region can be divided by any common traits. What is the best described in regionalization? Regionalization is defined as an increase in the cross-border flow of capital, goods, and people within a specific geographical area. It developed from the bottom up through societally driven processes coming from markets, private trades, and investment. None of which is strictly controlled by governments. Asian regionalism is the product of economic interaction, not political planning. As a result of successful, outward-oriented growth strategies, Asian economies have grown not only richer, but also closer together. In recent years, new technological trends have further strengthened ties among them, as have the rise of the PRC and India and the region's growing weight in the global economy. But adversity also played a role. The 1997 to 1998 financial crisis dealt a sharp setback to much of the region, highlighting Asia's shared interests and common vulnerabilities, and providing an impetus for regional cooperation.